Assalamualaikum children. This is our first class in 2021, right? So today let me tell you one thing, that a small message for you, that is never ever try to say lie to anybody. ഒരാളോടും ഒരു കള്ളം പോലും മക്കൾ പറയില്ല എന്നുള്ളത് ഒന്ന് പ്രതിജ്ഞ എടുക്കുക, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു പ്രോമിസ് എടുക്കുക. പഠിച്ചവനോട് ഒരു സത്യം ചെയ്യുക, ഈ ഒരു വർഷത്തിലെ എന്താണ്, ഞാൻ ഒരിക്കലും കള്ളം പറയില്ല എന്ന്. ഓക്കെ, നമ്മൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരുമിച്ചെടുക്കാം. എല്ലാവരും ഒന്ന് പറയും മക്കളെ, ഐ വിൽ നെവർ സേ ലൈ. സേ ചിൽഡ്രൻ, ഐ വിൽ നെവർ സേ ലൈ ഫ്രം ടു ദിസ് ഇയർ ഓൺവേർഡ്സ്. കഴിഞ്ഞ വർഷം വരെ ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള എല്ലാ കള്ളങ്ങളും എല്ലാ തെറ്റുകളും നമ്മൾക്ക് പുറത്തു തരണേ എന്ന് പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുകയും ചെയ്യാം. കൂടെ തന്നെ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം, ഇനി ഈ ഒരു വർഷം തൊട്ട് തെറ്റുകളൊന്നും ചെയ്യില്ല എന്നും ഒരിക്കലും കള്ളം പറയില്ല എന്നുള്ളതും. ഓക്കെ, നമ്മളോട് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട് എന്താണ്, നമ്മൾക്ക് കള്ളം പറയാം ഒരാളെ രക്ഷിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ മറ്റുള്ളവർക്ക് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് നമ്മൾക്ക് ചെറിയ കള്ളങ്ങളോ മിണ്ടാണ്ടിരിക്കുകയൊക്കെ ചെയ്യാം, പക്ഷെ നമ്മൾക്ക് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യരുത്, ഒരു കള്ളവും പറയരുത്. ഓക്കെ മക്കളെ? ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ ഇനി നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം, സെക്കൻഡ് ലെസണിൻ്റെ സമ്മറി തുടങ്ങാം. ഓക്കെ, അതായത് ഫസ്റ്റ് നമ്മൾ ആ സെക്കൻഡ് ലെസണിൽ വാട്ട് ഡിഡ് വി ലേൺ ചിൽഡ്രൻ? We learned different logos, right? Different operating systems in the logos നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചു. See, this was the logos of different operating system. After that, what we learned, we knew detail about Linux, then Ubuntu. What are the features of Ubuntu, children? First one, it is important, okay, the features of Ubuntu. First one, it is a free software. Second one, easy to use. Third one, searching made easier. You can search items very easily. That is, from the dash, search icon is there. Just search, you will get whatever things you want, right? Then safe and secure. Then it is freely available. Then multitasking can be done together, and it is an educational software. Same like you children, you can. It is a free software for you all, and it will make the it will make the studying more easy. Okay, it is educational purpose operating system. Okay, operating system. Okay, next one, Ubuntu desktop. You know how to look, how the Ubuntu desktop look like. I showed you, right? The desktop, then desktop background, then changing the desktop background. How can you change the wallpaper in your mobile and all? We change the wallpaper of photos, right? The same way the computer is also having a desktop where you can change the wallpaper of that. Then icons, small pictures in the desktop are called icons, right? Next one, how to select an icon? Left click, right? Just go there and click, left click. How to open an icon? Double click. Then arranging the icon, you can click and drag and keep, or you can move different types of moving an icon. You can move anywhere, or you can sort by name, sort by date, and sort by type, that is size. Sort by name means it will be in alphabetical order. Sort by type means which type of file letters it will arrange it like that. Then organizing icon, the same way, say by type, by name, by date also you can set. Okay, then how to rename an icon? It is very easy. Just go there, left click, right click, then a pop-up menu come there, a rename option is there. Click on rename, then write what name you want to save, then click OK, then the name will be renamed. Okay, then how to delete an icon? Just go there, left click, right click, delete option, or move to trash is there. Just send it to it. And what is launcher? In a computer, the side bar, the vertical bar, that is called launcher. If you having any doubt, just go to the previous class and watch it. Okay children, the launcher, everything is clearly shown there. The picture is shown there. Okay, then the next one is dash. What is dash? It is a waste basket of Ubuntu. Okay, dash, and the icon of dash also I showed you in the last class. Lenses means small lenses, that to searching category can be visualized there. Then opening a program. How to open a program? dash icon from the launcher, go to click on dash icon on the launcher. In the launcher on the top there is dash icon. Select application lengths from the dash icon. Lengths is there. Lengths option is there. Click on that. Lengths means what? The seeing. So it is means searching. Okay. The lengths, why we keep children? Why we keep the specs for the lengths? To see. In the same way here you can search the things. Okay. Then select the application lengths from the dash home. Dash display recently user installed application and more suggestions and dash plugin application. So recently opened applications can be seen there, and just go there. Click on the installed category there. All the installed application will be listed. What all items are there in that computer or in that system. That items will be there. Whichever you want, you can scroll inside and you can select. Okay, double click it, that will be opened. That is the use of lenses. Okay, and what is menu bar? On the top black color line is there. That is called menu bar. Okay, then indicator, I showed you that small button in every computer it will be there, because once the indicator is not there, you cannot on and off it, right? You cannot minimize it, you cannot maximize it. Close button, minimize button, maximize button. 3 buttons will be there, right? That is called indicator area. Okay, then what else we learn? Application menus. Application menus, the section indicators are there, right? Go there, then select it. Then there will be personal sections where you can set system setting, then change according to it. That behavior tab will be there. From there, select the menus for the windows and all and change it. Okay. Then next one, Windows management button. That is the indicator area you studied, right? That area, how to manage it with that button. That is called Windows management buttons. Okay, children. So by this we have completed just a review of the last class, and now we are going to do the exercise part of it. When you are watching this question answer part, that time you just close the mobile. Just the audio of it, I am saying and writing the answers. Okay, so you try to write it by hearing. Okay, children, you are in 4th standard now. Okay, I am dictating it to you and you are writing it, so that you will learn the spellings. മക്കൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുക? കേട്ട് എഴുതാൻ നോക്കുക ആൻസേഴ്സ് ഒക്കെ. എന്നിട്ട് എന്ത് ചെയ്തോളാം? പിന്നെ വീഡിയോ നോക്കിയിട്ട് അതിലെന്തെങ്കിലും എറേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ കറക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. അങ്ങനെ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ? റൈറ്റിംഗ് സ്കിൽ ഇമ്പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ കേട്ടോ. കണ്ട് എഴുതരുത്. മാം ഇങ്ങനെ പറയുന്നുണ്ട് ഓരോ ആൻസർ എഴുതുമ്പോഴും. അത് നോക്കിയിട്ട് എന്ത് ചെയ്യുക? യു ഹാവ് ടു റൈറ്റ് ദ ആൻസേഴ്സ്. ഓക്കെ ചിൽഡ്രൻ? സോ റൈറ്റ് നീറ്റ്ലി ആൻഡ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് റൈറ്റിംഗ് അലോങ് വിത്ത് മീ. മാം എഴുതുന്നുണ്ട്, മക്കളും എഴുതാം കേട്ടോ. ഓക്കെ. Fill in the blanks. This is page number 27. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Dash act as a mediator between user and a computer. Which is acting as a mediator between user and computer? Operating system. Okay. Right there. Operating system. Operating system. Dash is the background picture of a computer. Background picture is known as desktop background. Right there. Desktop background. Desktop background. Desktop background is the background picture of a computer. Next one, dash is pictorial representation of a program. Which is a pictorial representation? Icon. The working area of Edubuntu is called. Which is the working area of Edubuntu known as? Desktop. Desktop. Next one, the dark strip on the top of the desktop is called, the dark script means the dark bar. Which is that bar? Menu bar. Menu bar. The dash home is like a start menu. Which home is like a start menu? Dash. In Ejibundu we use dash instead of start menu. Okay. Next one, true or false. First, Linux is an operating system. Everybody knows that, right? Linux is an operating system. Next one, you cannot organize the icon. Can you arrange the icon to here and there? Of course, we can move the icon, right? But here they are saying you cannot. It means it is wrong, false. Third one, icon is used to start an application. Icon is used to start an application. Icon is a pictorial representation of an application, right? So it is false. You can remove icon from desktop. You can remove icon from desktop. We can remove the icon, we can delete the icon, everything we can do, right? So that is true. You can remove the icon from the desktop. So here true, false, false, true. Okay. Now flip the page and match the following. Third one. Okay. Here see programs. Which is program in this? Which program? Program, left click, wallpaper, dash home, double click, icon. Icon is a program. So write here 1. Programs. You can select programs from there. Many icons will be there in the programs. Now open. From where you will see open button, children. To open something, what you will do? Dash home, no, double click, right? We will double click to open an application. Select. What you will do for select? Yes, just to go there and select, we will do left click. Left click, right? We'll go the mouse and just click the left click. Then this will be selected. Background picture. That is of course wallpaper. Next, start menu. Start menu will be there in the dash. This is the start menu of the Ubuntu, right? That is also over. Now the next one is connect icons with related items. Icon is there. You have to connect the related icons. Icons, where you will, icon means the pictorial representation of an application, right? So icon will be there in trash. Match to trash. Then launcher. No, it is a bar, right? LibreOffice Writer. Yes, icon will be there. Linux. It is an operating system, right? Then Gedit. Yes. Then computer. No. TextPaint. It is an application, right? Wallpaper. No, because it is not an application. So these are the things that icons will be there in the desktop. Okay. Wallpaper icon won't be there. Launcher icon won't be there. Linux is an operating system, so it won't be, icon will not be there. And computer icon also will not be there. Okay. Look at this, children. The fifth one. Identify the desktop. This part we have to check which all things is here. And dash icon. Where is dash icon in this? Here. Dash icon is here. Now icon. Where is the icons? All these pictorial representation in the desktop are called icon. Right. So here B. Next trash. Where is trash? Here. The waste basket is known as trash. So here mark as C. Indicator area. Where is the indicator area? Last class I taught you the close button, minimize button and maximize button and all, right? That is indicator area where we can find here. This is the indicator area. Then LibreOffice Writer. LibreOffice Writer is here. This is the last one. That is LibreOffice Writer E. Okay. So A, B, C, D and E. Okay, children. Exercise part of your lesson. That is sixth one. Answer the followings. What is launcher? What is launcher, children? It is the vertical bar on the left side of the desktop, right? So right there, launcher is a vertical bar right now itself, okay children? Vertical bar on the left side of the desktop. Left side of the desktop. Okay. Now, what is an operating system? What is an operating system? Operating system, right? OS, okay? Operating system short form is OS. Operating system is a software. Operating system is a software that manages the communication between software and hardware. Communication between software and hardware. It acts as a mediator between the user and the computer. Finish, children? Right now itself, okay? When I'm saying, you hear and write. Okay. Next one. What is an icon? Pictorial representation, right? What is an icon? Small pictures on the desktop are called icon. Small pictures on the desktop are called icon. Finish? What is desktop? The working area of Edubundu is called the desktop. The working area of Edubundu is called the desktop. The working area of Edubundu is called the desktop. What is menu bar, children? Menu bar is a bar where you can find out all the applications, right? Or all the tools or all the icons you can find out. So right there, the menu bar. Make it small and write, okay children? The menu bar incorporates common functions used in Edubundu. The dark strip on top, right? The dark strip on the top of the desktop. Okay. The dark strip on the desktop where you can find out all the icons. What is dash? What is dash? It is a start menu. Dash is like a start menu. Like a start menu, it helps you to find application and files from your computer. It helps you to find applications and files from the computer, because there will be a search bar. If you write there, that things can be opened very fast. Okay, by this we completed our writing part. Now in the next page you can find lab practice. Create a folder with your name. When we are going to lab, we will do it. If you are having computer where there is Ubuntu, you can do this one. Okay, just create a folder with your name. First you make a folder, then rename the folder with your school name. Then your name to school name you change. For that you can use rename, and open it by double clicking it. How to open an application or how to open a file? Just go there, left click, right click, double click, right? So double click it, then you will find it. Change the desktop background and attractive wallpaper and customize the launcher. You have to change the background of the computer and make a attractive wallpaper. In the mobile and all we do know, the same way you can do it from the property. Okay, and customize the launcher means and edit the launcher, the side of that vertical bar. Open the text paint, the paint in the Microsoft Word, right? That one, or program from the application lens of your chapter. In the lens, application lens, open that text paint from that. Okay, these are the three things that you have to do from the lab. Okay, if you have computer, try to do it. Okay children. Now one more is there, group discussion we will do later. Okay, here project work is there. Collect the following logos of Windows operating system and stick it out. You know logos, right? We have learned different logos. Logos of school, logos of different companies, and logos of different. Look at this this one children. Here one pen is there, Asian Paint. See the logo of this one, A and P is together here. Right, here this is the logo of this company. So the same way, each book, each thing, any branded items will be having a logo. Okay, so that logo, select a logo of a Linux operating system. Okay, collect the following logos of Linux operating system and stick it out. The same way, find out the Tibetan, Ubuntu and Fedora. These three icons or the logos you want to find out and stick it here. Okay children, if you cannot find the pictures, then try to draw. Look at that logo and draw. Okay children. Okay children, I hope you all have completed the writing part of the second lesson also. So first lesson and second lesson is complete in your textbook. Now write the question answers in your notebook. I told you in the last class also, you have to write the question answers in your notebook. Okay children, these question answers also write lesson number 2, write the name of the lesson and write the question answers in your notebook. Other all exercise part, you can write it in your notebook only. Okay. Okay children, remember children, don't ever try to say lie to anybody. Okay, ഒരിക്കലും മറക്കരുത്. ഈ വർഷം നമ്മൾ എടുക്കുന്ന ഒരു പ്രോമിസാണ്, ഒരാളോട് നമ്മളിനി കള്ളം പറയില്ല എന്ന്. കുട്ടികളോടോ ഉമ്മയോടോ ഉപ്പയോടോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സിനോടോ റിലേറ്റീവ്സിനോടോ നൈബേഴ്സിനോടോ ആരോടും എന്ത് ചെയ്യരുത്, കള്ളം പറയരുത്. ഓക്കെ ചിൽഡ്രൻ, താങ്ക് യു. അസ്സലാമു അലൈക്കും വറഹ്മത്തുള്ളാഹി വബറകാതുഹു.